Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is another Theta update video, and this is a huge update. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. It does mean a lot. All right, so what update is it? It's from their latest tweet that they tweeted out not too long ago, just 5 hours ago. And the Theta network is introducing the new Theta Video API service. And essentially, this is giving developers the power to bring Web 3.0 decentralized video to any application. There's a website, we'll check it out here in a little bit, and there's a Medium article I want to hit on first. It kind of breaks down exactly what, this is and what, is in the update. Checking out the Medium article, new Theta Video API service gives developers power, the same thing. And here is a quick little overview of the website we'll go to today. But digging right into the article, today Theta Labs is excited to release Theta Video API, a new product for developers that allows them to add decentralized video to any website or application without any central servers, content delivery, or video hosting software. And that is huge. So this essentially is giving developers, small, medium businesses an opportunity to have video streaming or video on demand services very similar to YouTube, but without having to go through, Amazon Web Services, Fastly, or any of those expensive content delivery networks. Now they can finally use Theta. This is what, Theta's bread and butter is all about. I know we gave them a lot of slack for, focusing on NFTs a bunch, but this is, what we were waiting for. And essentially it's powered by Theta's native T-Fuel token. Anyone can simply upload a video clip and the Theta Video API will return a playable link, and I'll check it out on another video. I don't want to make this video too long, step by step how to do that. And essentially it's simple for developers to use. A web or mobile developer posts a video file to the Theta Video API ingest endpoint, and then you just get a URL. It's quite that easy. I did do it, and like I said, I'll make a video on my next video on how to do it. And here's some quick quotes from Mitch Liu, CEO of Theta. Essentially, he's saying Theta's vision is to bring the principles of Web 3.0 to streaming video so that anyone can stream video over a decentralized network with no permissions, no interference, and no centralized entity collecting and selling your data. And as we know, that is huge with Amazon, with Google, with Facebook. They are all about collecting your data, giving it to advertisers, and just, doing a whole lot of stuff with your data that you never really approved of that happening. Essentially, by letting users add video and other content to any site or app without contracts with centralized entities like AWS, Amazon Web Service, or Akamai, which is the largest content delivery network service currently. And this is good. This is actually, what I envisioned for Theta when I first heard about it, and is great. So Theta aims for this to significantly reduce the cost of starting a new video platform, removing barriers to entry, and allowing new content types and creators to flourish. And this is awesome. So like I was saying earlier, that your small, medium businesses who, depend on AWS and Akamai, they have these very, very expensive fees. And we'll check out the fees here in a little bit, why they're so much cheaper using Theta. So you can create an entire video platform service like YouTube with the Theta Video API without the need for any video encoding, delivery, or playback providers, because it's all in, the Theta's API video service. And right now, I'll show you that. There's only video on demand, but in the future, they will support live streaming. And I am happy that they started off with the video on demand, because I think that is a larger source of income currently. Streaming of course has its place, and that's why they have Theta.tv. But this is for those of us who just want to upload video on demand videos. And then if we go over to the website, this is where you can check it out. Theta TV, and this is the API. Simple video API for developers, decentralized Web 3.0. All you do is upload a video, you can play it anywhere, and then you can optimize it with Theta peer-to-peer. Here's a quick demo. I'll do the more in-depth demo in a little bit, but essentially you just post a video to it, it encodes the video, And then here's a little link that you can attach to your website, and it'll play the video 24/7. And then you can optimize with Theta peer-to-peer, and you can save a bunch of money by doing so. The pricing, they are accepting T-Fuel only, which is great because, as we know, T-Fuel has the potential to be deflationary. And if a lot of people, use these smart contracts and use T-Fuel for these purchases, which are substantially cheaper, 40% saving, 30% saving, 60% saving, there is a potential for T-Fuel to become deflationary, kind of like Ethereum has been. And here are the prices. The video ingest essentially is 40% cheaper than AWS for Amazon. And to enable Theta Edge node encoding, that'll happen in the future, available in 2020 for video storage. And there are some rumors out there. I'll make another video about that. But we do know that you can enable Theta Edge nodes once again for storage, available in 2022. But as we do know, content delivery is the bread and butter, and that is available today. If you use T-Fuel, or if you use, the Theta Edge node delivery, you can save 60%. And the monthly cost examples, here are the breakdowns. And essentially it is, approximately a 60% savings from that Amazon Web Service or Akamai. And then in my next video, I will show you step by step how to do this and what, the process actually looks like, if it is indeed this easy or if it's a little bit harder. So in summary, hey, this is good news. Theta Medium article about the new Theta video API service and how it does help developers and how it'll boost Theta into that next level. Once again, if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next one.